Let's make some sweet and sticky party ribs on the Blackstone Pellet Grill. We're going to start with 2 racks of ribs, and we're just going to pat these dry using a paper towel. Then you need to peel the membrane off the back of these ribs. You can find it usually hanging off on one end. You just give it a good pull and it should come off all in one piece. If you have a hard time getting it started, you could use a butter knife to kind of shove up underneath it, and this will help you get a grip on it and help get it started. Once you've pulled that off, we're going to cut these ribs along the bone so that we have meat on just one side, and we're going to cut each rib off individually. Next, we're going to use our favorite barbecue rub. I'm using Meat Church Honey Hog Barbecue here, and we're just going to cover those ribs on all sides. You may have to pick them up and kind of dust them all around. Then we're going to throw these on the pellet grill at about 275 degrees. Layer them out in a single layer. Let those cook for about 90 minutes or until they've reached an internal temp of at least 170 degrees. Then we're going to pull these off and put them in a metal pan, and we're going to cover them in some brown sugar and some barbecue sauce. Use whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. And then we're going to throw some pats of butter down on top. Then, using some gloved hands, I'm going to give these a quick toss in all of that sugar and sauce and butter. And then I'm going to spread them out in that pan again in a single layer. Cover it with some foil. And then throw it right back on the smoker for about another 45 minutes or until it reaches an internal temp of about 207 degrees. When they're done, you can pull them off and just look at that sticky goodness right there. These are delicious. They're perfect for a gathering. Give these a try. Let me know if you do in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching.